Hello and welcome to English Unlocked channel. English listening test. Listen carefully to each short paragraph and answer the following questions by selecting the correct option A, B, or C. Before we begin, take a pen and paper so you can do that. Color the notes while listening, then leave the answer in the comments. Are you ready? Let's get started. Paragraph 1.
Marie has always been passionate about art. She spends her weekends in art galleries, admiring various paintings and sculptures. Her favorite artist is Vincent van Gogh, and she has a collection of his prints at home.
Choose the correct answers.
What is Marie passionate about?
Art, cooking, music.
Where does Marie like to spend her weekends?
In a library, at the beach, in art galleries.
Who is Marie's favorite artist?
Leonardo da Vinci, Vincent van Gogh, in a library. Paragraph 2.
Yesterday, I watched an exciting documentary about space exploration. It detailed the historic Apollo 11 mission to the moon and the challenges astronauts faced. The visuals of the Earth from space were breathtaking.
Choose the correct answers.
What did the speaker watch yesterday?
A documentary about cooking, a documentary about animals, a documentary about space exploration.
What was the documentary about?
Food recipes, space exploration and Apollo 11, historical events.
What did the speaker find breathtaking in the documentary?
The moon landing, the Earth from space, the astronauts' challenges. Paragraph 3.
Amanda and Mark went on a hiking trip in the mountains last weekend. They hiked for hours and reached a beautiful waterfall. They enjoyed a picnic lunch by the waterfall and took photos of the stunning scenery.
Choose the correct answers.
What did Amanda and Mark do last weekend?
Went shopping, went on a hiking trip, watched a movie.
Where did they go? Hiking?
In the mountains, at the beach, in a park.
What did they do by the waterfall?
Had a picnic lunch, swam in the waterfall, went fishing. Paragraph 4.
John's birthday is coming up, and he's planning a big party at his house. He's inviting all his friends and family. There will be music, games, and lots of delicious food. It's going to be a fantastic celebration.
Choose the correct answers.
What is John planning?
A solo vacation, a big party, a quiet dinner.
Who is John inviting to his party?
Only his friends, only his family, both friends and family.
What will be at the party?
Music and games. Only food. A movie screening. Paragraph 5.
Sophia loves to read. She's currently engrossed in a mystery novel. Every night, she reads a few chapters before bedtime, trying to solve the mystery along with the main character.
Choose the correct answers.
What does Sophia love to do?
Cook, read, paint.
What kind of book is Sophia currently reading?
A romance novel. A mystery novel. A science fiction book.
When does Sophia read her book?
In the morning. In the afternoon. Every night before bedtime. And don't forget to share your score in the comments section.